encountering the direct billing not allowed error when trying to set up direct debit on Tesco Mobile. This usually means there's an issue preventing Tesco Mobile from automatically debiting your account. This could be due to several reasons: a failed credit check, insufficient account history, pending debts, or mismatches in the name address verification. As of October 2025, Tesco Mobile has streamlined its billing process, but this error still commonly affects new customers or those switching plans. Let's explore how to troubleshoot this. Here's how to fix the direct billing not allowed error. First, use the Tesco Mobile app or website to verify your eligibility. Ensure all your bank account details are correct. If the error persists, contact Tesco Mobile customer support via live chat or phone. They can manually review your case and often resolve it within 24 hours. Alternative payment methods like debit credit cards or third-party apps, Apple Pay, Google Pay, are available. But remember, these might incur fees or not qualify as direct billing. Also, ensure your bank account is active and not restricted. If the problem arose from a past debt that has been cleared, contact Tesco Mobile support to manually update their system, as these updates do not always occur automatically.